What's going on, guys, man? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy J4. We are back with another video, man. Thank you guys for coming through today, man. While you at it, go ahead and hit that like button, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn that bell notification on so you can get notified when these videos drop. So today, man, is actually, I don't know what day it is of Vlogmas. I guess, yeah, day 15, I believe. Let's see, let me check. The date is actually day 15 of Vlogmas, and I've missed 2 days so far. I believe I missed yesterday's video, and I believe last Saturday, I believe. Man, it's just been raining, man. It's been hard to actually get out and get content, and it's really a grind, though, to be honest. I see why some people don't daily vlog, but I salute to the people that do daily vlog. It's a grind, man. You know what I'm saying? If you set yourself up, create a few videos ahead of time, and that actually helps. But I kind of like doing it same day, same edit, whatever, stuff like that. Anyway, on to today's topic. Today's topic, we're going to be going over features that I love about my 2017 Ford F150. So let's go ahead and dive right in it. One of the things that I do love about this truck is the remote start, man. I love the remote start, specifically around this time of the year, because of when it gets cold. Now in South Carolina, it doesn't get that cold, but it gets cold enough to the point where it's cold. It's cold enough for me, put it like that. I hate cold weather. I don't even know how I went to school and played ball at 2 schools in cold weather. I went one in the mountains and one up in New York. I don't know how I did that. I was tripping. Let's say that you are actually far off somewhere, right? Or you might be in the house in another room or something. So you go ahead and hit that button. Hit that twice. And you see that green light? That lets you know that the truck started. Now, I absolutely love that feature because sometimes I am in the house. Sometimes, you know, I might be doing something like playing music or something where I might not actually hear my exhaust. Most of the time I hear it, though, when it starts. But sometimes I have to check that key just to make sure that it started. And if it doesn't start, that light will blink red. So, and then also, my truck doesn't have it. At least I haven't tried it yet. And some of the newer trucks specifically, you can have Forward Pass, the app on your phone, and you can start your truck with your phone from anywhere. And that's a real nice, cool feature. If you guys have Forward Pass, I would look into it, download the app on your phone. Alright, so the next feature, we're going to stay with the outside. So I mentioned this on one of my previous videos, recently actually, while we're doing Vlogmas. And it's something that, you know, it comes in handy, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes it comes in handy. I don't have to use it as often, but I got the Tailgate Assist on the truck and the tailgate release on the remote. So that opens up the tailgate, it'll drop it down for me, so I don't have to actually physically go up and let the tailgate down. Yeah. And you see how slowly it let down? That's the Tailgate Assist, where it drops it down slowly for you instead of just dropping straight down. Most people, they have to buy that mod to do that, but with the Lariats, it comes with it. So that's a good thing. But usually if you buy, it's like a $15 to $30 mod. I'm not sure exactly. I'll link that down in the description if I'll look it up once I get back to edit this video and link it down in the description. But I do really love that feature just because of the fact that sometimes, you know, your hands might be full, or you might have other stuff you got going on, and you just need some little help there. You got the remote, just pull out the remote, drop the tailgate down. I love that. Alright, so let's move on inside to the truck, go over some of the features that I love about the truck. Oh! The next thing I would say that I love about this truck has to be the cluster, man. You know, when I knew I wanted to get a truck and I was looking into getting one of these trucks, I wanted a cluster just like this. I love the big digital screen. I wish I had the clusters that's on the 21s, the 2022 models, and the 2023 models right now, to be honest. But this right here suffice and is good enough. Now, I had one of my subscribers, they mentioned about doing forward scan, where you guys can see the temperature gauge and all that stuff, see the actual number, instead of just showing like this. That would be a nice feature. Maybe I'll look into doing that later. Actually, if I was going to get an XLT or STX, I was actually planning on switching out the cluster, get a bigger cluster just like this one and switch it out. I've seen the guy, he did it on his truck, so I was planning to do it on mine. Luckily, I found the actual truck that I wanted that had everything I actually wanted. So this next thing actually has to be the sunroof, man. I love the sunroof. I love the panoramic sunroof. I had like a love-hate relationship with it because I was a little afraid of, you know, possible leaks and everything. Now, I did have a leak one time in here, But I just love that sunroof. At one point, like, my intent was not to actually get a truck with a sunroof on it, but now that I have one, I think it's, you know, it's important to actually get. A lot of people love that feature when they see it, especially when they see how big it is. Really huge. Alright, so this next mod possibly is very underrated, bro. It's very underrated. The heated and cool seats, man. Listen, when it's hot outside, them cool seats, they come in handy, boy. I'm trying to tell you. Especially even when it's cold out and, you know what I'm saying, you just want to hop in and get warmed up. These heaters, they come in handy with that sometimes. I'm not gonna lie to you. I love the way, I just like the fact that when I hop in on cold days, I can just turn that on and warm my whole body back up real quick. The heated and cool seats are very underrated. You never really know what you have until you have it. You know what I'm saying? So it's one of those things. Now this last thing is really my favorite, so I'm pretty sure that's why I left it for last. Now it is, I'll go ahead and tell you what it is. I mentioned it in one of my videos, the ambient lighting in this truck. Let me hop out so you guys can see that. So you see that? Look at that. You see the lights? There you go, right there. The blue lights back there in the back. They underneath the seat. It's something that I didn't know about at first, but I had to play around with the truck, play around like with the menus and everything, and actually found it. And it's one of my most favorite features just because I love the ambient lighting in here. It was something that I was planning on actually doing as a mod to the truck once I got it. And I was actually about to get ready to buy some lights to put under there, and I just messed around and found that. And I'm about to show you guys how you can actually access that real quick. Alright, so what you would do is, alright, go to that. Come on, focus up, focus up. Go to that, go to your settings. Alright, go to your settings, swipe over. Then swipe over again. There you go, you got ambient lighting. Click on that. You can change the colors from soft, mine is soft blue. You can change the colors from orange. See the orange? Look, I don't like that. The purple looks, I guess purple, just a lighter color purple. So I'll go with the soft blue because the soft blue actually look like a natural tone blue color. So alright there guys, and there you are. There are features that I love about my 2017 Ford F-150. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and go ahead and hit that bell notification, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Yeah.